Hello children, today we are going to study about maths. In maths previous week what we learned? Yes, we learned about numbers up to 200. Last week we learned about before number, after number, greatest number, smallest number and the numbers up to 100 you wrote and your colored pink, blue and green. Yes, I'm happy to see your assignments you're sending through the WhatsApp. Thank you. Keep this spirit. Okay, today lesson same topic, numbers up to 200 we are going to learn. In this we are going to study about still 200 till 200. Now listen, carefully listen. Shreya has some sheet of smiley face. What she has? Shreya has some sheet of smiley face. Can you all see this smiley face? Yes. Smiley face. She wants to share some to Atul. She wants to share some of the smiley face to Atul, and Atul is here is sheet of 100 stickers. 100 stickers. Now she gave the sticker to Atul. Now Atul is asking, Shreya, give me some more stickers for me. Shreya, give me some more stickers for me. Now here how many smiley face? How many? Yes, here is 10, 10, 10, 10. So 10 tens are 100. And Atul is asking, Shreya, please give me some more smiley sticker. Then Shreya gives. Now, how many did Atul got now? How many? How many? Last previous lesson we have studied about ones, tens, the 2-digit numbers we learned. Now today 3-digit numbers. Ones, tens, hundred means you should not write ones, tens, hundreds. It's not a way of writing. You have to write from the right to left, not left to right. No, left to right you should not write. Always ones and tens you should write right to left. Now how many smiley sticker did Atul got? How many smiley sticker now Atul got? First Shreya has 100 and she gave to Atul. Now again she gave one more. How many? 100 and one more. How many? 101. 100 one na? No, 101 no. 101 should not come like this. It has to come in a ones place. 101. 101. Again she is asking. Again Atul is asking. Give me some more stickers. Give me some more stickers. Now Shreya is giving some more stickers to Atul. Shreya is giving some more stickers to Atul. Just while I'm sticking itself, we have to count how many did the Atul got from the Shreya. Count this. 100. The full sheet is 100. Full sheet is 100. And here count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 100 plus 10, 110. And here how many more? 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 114. How you all write it in numbers? ones, tens, hundreds. First, how many Shreya gave to Atul? 100 stickers she gave. So 100. See, in 100 place 100. Tens place no number. Ones place no number. Then afterwards, how many stickers Atul got? 101. Now how many more? Total how many is 114. 14. See here. 100 stickers, 100. Then here tens, 1 tens and 4 ones. Got it? So 114. How you have to write 114? You should not write the number 114. This is the wrong way. You have to write like this. And number name 114. 100 spelling. What is the spelling for 100? HUNDRED. 100. What number here? 14. You have to write first 100 place 1. 100. And 14. 14? No, 14. 14 spelling what? FOURTEEN. 114. The number name. Already. So now got it? 114. You should not write 100, then 1 and 4. Like this only you have to write. This is the way of writing the number name. Understand, children? Now some more numbers I'll show you. Some more numbers I'll show you. Here see, the number is given. The number is given 140. 104. How you have to write 140? 140. FORTY 40. 140 like this. The 140 is 140 like this. You have to write? No, it's wrong. You have to write 1. It's in 100 place 100. 40. FORTY 40. This is the correct one. Don't write it like this. 140, 240, not like this. You have to write like this way. Now children, you have learned how to write a number names. Okay, in page number 6, there is a one column. They are given complete the tables. Here see, number 115 is given, and in 100 place 1, tens place 1, ones place 5. Now for this, how we have to write a number name? 100 place what number? 1. So 100. What's the spelling for 100? HUNDRED. 100. Tens place 1 and 5 is in one place. So you should not write 1 5. It's together 15. 115. FIFTEEN. 115. Now next thing, see here. In ones place no number. How to write here? What number is missing here? No number is in one place. And here is given 102. 102 is given. But here only in 1 and 0 is here. In one's place no number. What number is missing? Yes, 1 is here, 0 is here, but 2 is not here. 2 is missing. How to write a number name for 102? 102. One's place 1. 100. One is in a 100 place. 100. 0 is here. What to do? So no number. What is the next number? Only that number you have to write. 102. 102. Now here also see, here is given 179. The number is 179. 179. But here is given in 100 place 1 and 10's place 7. But in 1's place no number. What number? That you have to find out and write the number as well as the number name. And same thing here, what number is missing? That also write and write the number name. And in 100 place what number missing? And in a 1's place also number is missing. This all you have to write and fill the number names. If you have book, you do it in the book. If you don't have a book, write it in the rough note and send me through the WhatsApp. This also your work. 2 things I have teach you. Now the 3 things you have to write and send me through the WhatsApp. Children, in page number 6, there is a exercise 1.1. 1.1. Here in A, it's given write the missing numbers. Write the missing numbers means it's given 101, 102, 103 up to 200. The missing numbers are given. This I didn't write it on the board, but I sent you through the WhatsApp. Now you can see in the book. See this one, the missing numbers. Can you see it clearly? Yes, this I'll send you through the WhatsApp. That time you write it in the rough note and send me through the WhatsApp. The next B1. The next B you see here. First itself I explained you about the smiley face. In this chart, how many smiley face? 100. How many? 100 are there. This one is, you have to imagine, here is a 100 smiley face. And here are the, how many dots? These are like a smiley faces. 100 and plus how many is here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many are there? 7. So how we have to write the number in this column? How we have to write this number in this column is 100 and tens, no tens, 0. And how many ones? 7 ones. This is the way of writing. Next see. How many smiley face? 100. And plus here 10 and here 10. How many? Here 100 smiley face and 10 extra is here and 10 more is here. So total how many? Total how many? Can anyone tell me? Yes. 100. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you can count this face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 means in tens place 2 and ones place 0. Like this, the rest other 2, you have to count this smiley face and you have to fill this 2. I'll send this through the WhatsApp. Now you can see this in the book also. See, this is the sums given in the book. This is in the page number 7. This is in the page number 7. Don't forget to do. Now children, in page number 7 already we studied B. Write the numbers, number names. Now here number name is given. They are asking you to write the number for the number name. Come on, read out this one. 135. 135. How you have to write? 135. It is correct? Is this correct? No. Should not write 135. How you have to write? 100 place 1, tens place 3, ones place 5. 135. The same thing here. Next one. 168. 100 place 1, tens place 6, ones place 8. 168. Next you see 110. Here no ones place. Only 10 is given. 100, tens place and ones place no number. Like this you have to write the number name. Here now you have learned the 3 numbers how to write, and rest are the 3 numbers. You have to read the number name and write down the numbers. Okay. And next one, see in page number 7, same page, D1. Write the numbers that comes before. That comes before. In previous week we studied for the 2-digit numbers. Now 3-digit numbers, before numbers. Okay. Before 110, what number will come? Before 110, 111, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. So 109. And here see 136 is here. So 100 is here. Okay, 130. 6 before number 5. So 135. Understand? Yes. I think you all know how to write the before number. Tell all the numbers. Whenever you write before number and after numbers, tell the numbers so that you can write the before numbers. Here you all studied now 2 numbers. How many numbers are left over here to write? 1, 2, 3, 4. This you have to write. If you have book, write it in the book, or if you don't have a book, write it in the rough note and send me through the WhatsApp. Okay children. The next we'll go to the E. In letter D we all learn before number. Now here is they asking you to write the after number. Write the number that comes after in page number 8. Those are having book, it's easy for you to write. Those are not having book, everything you have to copy down in the rough note and you have to write. Now here see 137, 137, 135, 136, 137. After what number will come? 138. You have to say the number like this. Then only you can write the what number comes after. Now 141. 141. After 141, 142. Here is 110 is here. After 110, after 10, what number will come? 11. Same. 111. Here 169. 69 after 69, 170. This 2, you do it. Everything you have to write. And this also you have to write and send me. Now next see in the F what is given. Write the number that comes between. Now first we studied before number. Now we studied the after number. Now they are asking you to find out the between number. The 2 numbers are given. Between the 2 numbers what number comes? 108. And here is given 110. What number will come here? 107. 108. 109. And 110. Here 125. What number will come? 125 and 127. Between what number? Missing is 126. Here see 160. 79. After 79, what number will come? Before 81, what number will come? 181 is 180, 180, 164 and 166 is given. Between what number is missing? 106, 4 is here, 6 is here. Between what number? 5, 165. The rest two, you have to do it. This everything, those who are not having book, everything you have to write it in the rough note. Those who are having book, everything you have to send me to the WhatsApp. Write it and send me through the WhatsApp. In page number 8, the G1 is write them in order from the smallest to the greatest. In previous classes itself, you might learn this one about the ascending order and descending order in 2-digit numbers. The same things only, smallest to greatest. Smallest to greatest means it's the ascending order. Here see 147, 129, 174, 135, 199, 152, 106, 118. In this, which is the smallest number? All 100. Now go to the tens place. 4, 40, 29, 70, 30, 90, 50. Here no number and here is 10. Which is the smallest number here? 106, 106. The next one is coming in the tens place. 118, 118. After 129, 20. And next 29, 20, 30 is 135. After 30, 40, 147. After 40, all 100. Just we are seeing the tens place. 40. After 40, 50 is 152. 50, 60 is not there, is 174. 70, 80 is not here, 199, 90 is there. This is the way of arranging in the smallest to biggest, or we can say ascending order. The next one, see here, life skill. Life skill, this full you are going to do. Just I am going to read the topic and just I am going to explain this one. Fill in the missing letters in this number names. Fill in the missing letters in this number name. Here is given F4 dash TY T dash dash. What will come? Any guess? TEN 4010? No. Here is F4 TY 40. TWO 42. Here is 96, 75, 64, 37. Here what will come? TWENTY 23. Here 18. Here is 50. FIFTY 51. ONE 1. Okay, this is the way of writing. Now I am going to give one project. See the project. You are seeing what Miss is given line. I'll read what project is given in the book in the same page. If you have a book, it will be easy for you. If you are not having book, carefully listen to me. Page number 2 and 3 of this book. This is the page number 2. This is the page number 2. The content they given. In this, the topic, the chapter, how many chapter is there? 1. Can you see it? Chapter 1, chapter 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 chapters are here. How many chapter? 30 chapter. Now they are asking you to write the before number and the after number of this chapter. First chapter is what chapter? Number is 1. Chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5, chapter 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many chapter we counted here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 number I wrote here. For this number, you have to write before number and the after number. 1 before number, 0. 1 after number, 2. Got it? Like this, you take the A4 sheet, put like this column and write like this numbers and write the before number and the after number. This is your project. Now we are going to finish the max class. What all I have given you to do and send through the WhatsApp. Please don't forget, do all the works. If you have book, it will be easy for you. If you are not having book, try to purchase soon, so it will be easy for you. And those who are not having book, write it in the rough note. Thank you, children.